Sakabuan, sakadan dengan duty, sakabuan.
Ke Office Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills kala thung ya ke jingtohkit halor ke jingkynnoh pyrshah ya uwei Pulit Sub Inspector bau kyntait pdiang ya ke ejahar hynnin ke sngi Laban Police Station. Laban hynnin ke tarik Nailur kawei ke Kynthei ke leit pyntip syaki Pulit ke Laban Police Station bakla shah ktah uwei nongniah taksi bakla buru da ke ejahar hynrei la kynnoh bau uwei Pulit SI ula kyntait pdiang ya ke ejahar bat kren kumni kumtai ya ke nong ujor. Lakan noru bau ni Pulit SI ula shah khaw-yiang hapadeng kekam kebalalam syakajingan nia ke bajur bat kibahing hasem jong ni ke Kynthei belit ujor. Ya kan ni kanong ujor la yarap no da koi ke Pulit Kynthei jong ke Women Police Station kepala pin register ya ke kes kat kum ke ejahar. Office USP kala thung marmar ya ke jingtohkit bala kli da sector officer ke Laban Police Station ubadeiru sub divisional police officer ke pin usla sub division.
Yes, regarding yesterday incident in the Laban Police Station that he misbehaved with the public while they came for lodging FIR and didn't entertain their FIR. So, inquiry has been conducted by the SDPO of Pyrshah, who is a sector officer last night, and a sector officer and also a night hunter. And as per his report, so a suspension order has been issued, and accordingly, SI Ricky E. Marwin is suspended from today.